Hey everyone, what is happening? Welcome back to Not Your Father's Capital, and I want to tell you guys a little bit more about Solana, okay? Because right here on the charts, there's been a lot of steam, a lot of enthusiasm surrounding Sol, so I'm going to break it all down for you guys in this video. I hope you all are doing well. Remember, if you're new to the channel, please subscribe down below. Keep you up to date with what's going on in the crypto game, as well as helping us here on YouTube. It is firmly the best way to get this content out to others. It's totally free to do so, but it does help the YouTube algorithm. But let's get into it, guys. And remember, not financial advice. I'm just going to give you guys some thoughts, some metrics, and talk about some data surrounding what's going on within the world of Solana, because we are approaching something very, very crucial, guys. This is something where we look into the future and you talk about where Solana can go. Can we get back to $100? Is that something where we look into the rebuild, if you will, right? We all know about the FUD with Alameda as well as the FTX fiasco and how that trickled down into the price action with Solana. But let's talk about some of the metrics on chain, okay? And this is where we've seen Solana really totally pick up some steam, okay? And what I want to share with you guys is this is data coming out from CC Data, all right? And that's where we're going to see a lot of the industrial side and institutional side of with this asset data and what this actually means, okay? And now when we talk about this data, it's going to provide this comprehensive outlook within the markets across trade and derivatives, orders, all that good stuff, a lot of blockchain data. And this is where we've seen coming out from the October 2023 edition of its digital asset management review, okay? So very strongly sourced, and it's going to aggregate a lot of stuff coming out from the Financial Times, CoinShares, Bloomberg, and others. And what we've seen from this data is the total AUM for digital asset products have risen about 6.74% to reach $31.7 billion in October. Okay, this has been the first increase we've seen since July 23. All right, and this is positive, guys, because now we have the launch of Ethereum futures ETFs and rumors within the pending Bitcoin spot ETF. Now, this is going to be all crucial for the development and the future of crypto, but this is where it all ties into Solana. Okay, that's where we've seen Solana continue its surge, right, where we have about a 74.1% increase in AUM, reaching a total of $140 million. Now, that's kind of where we've seen a substantial growth, okay, despite seeing a lot of decline in Ethereum-based products. However, the launch of that new ETF has basically taken off. Now, furthermore, when we get into what this actually means, this is going to be something when we look into Solana and kind of how there's a lot of institutional steam behind Solana, okay? And this is just going to indicate where you could see Solana have a huge price implication. Some people are saying that it can get as high as $3,200 or drop as low as $9.81 by 2030. A very Van Eck offering that very kind of freakishly bullish and bearish price prediction, but that's something where you look at Solana and their view on it being essential for decentralized apps and offering financial capability beyond what financial transactions can do, just to obtain this widespread adoption. Okay, and that's where Solana having its footing in scalability and how it can be efficient and provide the basically cheapest and fastest data processing out there. This is something where Solana really can spread its wings for the future. Okay, there's a lot of macro factors that Solana will be facing, but now it's important to note that with Solana's technology, this is where they can dominate the market in the future. Okay, and that's where you're seeing in adjunct to these numbers that we're seeing coming out from this October review, where Solana, based on the CC data, that 74.1% in AUM is what is going to be very important as we look into the metrics that are going to bolster Solana's position right here, right now on the charts, okay? And you're going to see essentially this rise as we look into products continue to rise, and it's going to continue furthermore as we look into Bitcoin hitting 40K, 50K, 60K, back to all-time highs. It's only going to be a good thing for Solana, and Solana really has a one of the most outlandish outlooks that you can possibly provide due to its insane volatility that we've seen in the past, especially in the last bull cycle in 2021. So it's going to be a crypto that I continue to talk about. I hope you guys are all excited. So if you want to know more and you want to stay up to date, please absolutely subscribe down below. Smash that like button on your way out, and we will see you guys all in the next video. Thanks, everyone.